Hello, Disney Wish! And welcome to our celebration of 25 years of Disney Cruise Line magic. My name is Megan.
And I'm Emily, and I've got to know who's excited to see our Shimmering Seas Light the Sky fireworks show! Oh, that's what I want to hear. Now, did you know that Disney Cruise Line had the first ship to ever present fireworks at sea? It's true.
25 years ago, Disney Cruise Line set sail across the shimmering seas to guide families and friends on adventures, making dreams come true across the globe. So, who here has sailed with us before? Thank you and welcome home.
Now, how many of you are first-time Disney cruisers? Outstanding! Welcome to the family. We are so happy to have you here. Now, I'm at the very start of my Disney Cruise Line journey, and I'm so happy to be here, celebrating 25 years with my new Disney family. How about you, Megan?
Well, I started my Disney journey all the way back in 2019, and since then I've made some great memories with some amazing friends, just like you, Emily.
Oh, I couldn't agree more.
But now it's time to introduce somebody you already know and love. It's your cruise director, it's Leslie!
Hello. Hi. Well, thanks for bringing me out to your little party up here. Look, everybody's here. How's everybody doing? If I'm out here, that must mean the fun is about to happen. I tell you what, let's go ahead and bring out right now a particular group of individuals who have sailed with us every single voyage since 1998. Does anybody know who I might be talking about right now? Just shout it out if you think you know. Let's bring them out here then. Let's see who we got. Our very special individuals joining us here tonight. Oh, I think you know them. And I think you love them. Let's hear for our very special friends tonight. Let's make some noise for Goofy, for Donald, for Daisy, Chippendale, Captain Minnie, and Captain Mickey.
Well, whether it's your first Disney cruise, your 5th, or your 25th, it's guaranteed you'll make memories that'll last a lifetime.
Now, it's almost time to light the skies, but we need your help. Now, we all know that when you wish upon a star, special things can happen, right? Well, let's think of a moment. Won't we wish to send to the stars forever? And let's see what happens.
That's a great idea. I've got so many to choose from, Emily.
Are you ready to send it, everybody? Let's do it. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1.
Now, does anybody feel like carrying on with the dancing and with the fun? Let me hear ya. Then I say